Hey guys, welcome back to Heather's East Kitchen. On to this video, guys, we are trying a new breakfast sandwich, guys. As you know, I've been on my journey to eating better, gluten-free, organic. So I got me some gluten-free Vans original waffles and I made a sandwich. So here's the sandwich that I made, guys. Here's the waffles. They got some tomato on there, some organic cheese. This is a 3-cheese blend and just some ham. And I'm going to be cooking it in this pan here, guys, with some Kerrygold butter. And that's going to be my breakfast sandwich, guys, for today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pan all heated up. As you can see, it's starting to heat up now. And once it gets hot, guys, we're going to get this dropped in our pan. Get it in that butter, guys, because it makes the waffle golden. And I did pre-toast the waffle in the toaster oven first, just to get it from being cold, frozen. All right, we're gonna chop it open. It's a nice little waffle breakfast sandwich. You got your tomato, your cheese, your ham. You want to put a little avocado in there, that works too. Or whatever you want, guys. But this is my version of a little waffle sandwich, little breakfast sandwich. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.